afternoon, madam.
Young man, do you know who I am?
No, I've never seen you before.
I am Mother Kenzo, the mother of the boy you shot on the face last week. Why did you kill my son?
I know nothing about that. And I didn't kill anybody.
Why did you take my only source of happiness? Why couldn't you just take all his electronics and let him live?
Like I told you, madam, I know nothing about that. And you? Do you know who I am?
I don't want to know you. A killer. No.
Madam Kenzo, whatever you are called, are you a police officer? Are you? I think you overstayed your welcome. Now leave my presence before you see the other side of me.
And what does that mean? See, Dennis was not fortunate to come from a big and rich family like you. He was contented of what we had. We didn't have much money, but we had happiness. And you came and stole that happiness away from us. You sent my son to a jail of no return. Who will bury me?
Enough of this insult. Now listen to me and listen very attentively. I don't have a hand for the death of your son. I don't know him and I don't know you. If you continue insulting me, harassing and disturbing my peace, I will strangle your head and you will join your ancestors. Rubbish.